using aluminized tubing, but stainless steel is also available. Interior tone level is moderate with this Flowmaster True Dual exhaust. Make sure to follow us on all social media. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification. At Rich's, you can pick your sound and your tips before you buy. With all major brands in stock, we have you covered. To further optimize your vehicle's performance, we carry AFE, K&N, and Air Raid. Thanks for watching. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See it and hear it at richsperformanceexhaust.com.